Ideal for construction sites, ranches, or any job that requires welding off the grid, Tomahawk Welder Generators are perfect for your welding needs. Begin by carefully unboxing the welder and removing all parts and manuals. To begin assembly, you'll need the following tools: a 19mm socket wrench, a 13mm socket wrench, a 10mm wrench, and a 4mm Allen wrench. First, insert the wheel spindle into the right side of the welder and attach the wheel securely using a 19mm socket wrench. Then lock the wheel in place with the pin. Repeat this process for the other wheel. Next, secure the legs in place using a 13mm socket and 10mm wrench. To connect the handles, feed the bolt through the handle arm and welder frame. Fasten the bolt in place using a 13mm socket and wrench. Repeat for the other side. To connect the welding leads, strip ½ inch of rubber off the electrode holder cable and slide the red rubber guard over the top. Next, insert the exposed cable into the welding plug and tighten it in place with a 4mm Allen wrench. Then slide the red rubber guard snugly back over the plug. Repeat this process to assemble the lead for the ground clamp, making sure to slide the black rubber guard over the cable before attaching the plug. To begin fueling, remove the oil filler cap to check the dipstick. If this is your first time using the welder, fill the oil tank to the upper limit with SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil. Then reinstall the oil filler cap and cover securely. Next, remove the fuel cap on top of the welder and fill the upper level with unleaded gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher. Then reinstall the fuel cap securely. To start the welder, disconnect any tools or appliances from the terminals or outlets. Turn the engine switch to the on position. Open the fuel valve. For a cold start, move the choke lever to the closed position. If the engine is already warm, the choke can remain in the open position. Hold the top handle securely and pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance, then pull briskly. If the choke was closed, gradually open it as the welder warms up. Once the welder is running smoothly, connect your leads or devices to the proper outlets. Insert the ground lead into the negative terminal and the electrode lead into either the 80 amp positive terminal on the left or the 120 amp positive terminal on the right. Following these steps will ensure you're prepared to start welding with confidence. For more welding tips, click subscribe today.